Monocl gives you access to provide more of an expert profile data to over 13 million users throughout the world. But the takeaway of that is really given a different perspective on how we approach our KOLs, but also reshaping our thought process and how we get to that. So the granular data that we can provide that gives you from a publication to the clinical trial data to the grants to the meeting attendance that they have to presentations, to conferences, gives then that next level of insight to help reshape the mindset on how we're approaching the KOL to get that adequate, or I should say viable information that we need in this, let's say, post-COVID culture that we're operating today. The reason why we thought it was important to be here at the conference is really stemming on the heel of the need to reshape our thought process on how we approach KOLs, how we approach MSLs, and how they're seeking the data to collect to give them that data, the insight to capture that information. The ability to be here, having the presence of 300-400 people, it's unmatched. Yeah, I think the ROI here is definitely subjective and also objective in some contexts, and the objectivity might be not able to be varied today or valued today, but from a subjective preference or perspective, it's been highly valuable. But also having the ability again to access 300 to 400 MSLs over a couple days time span, again, is unmatched.
From my perspective, I would say, especially being an account manager, I think I would highly recommend, other companies come into this conference. It really allows for some expansion as far as getting able to talk to different companies, also getting to talk to those MSLs, and kind of another way in to get to those, higher ups, those decision makers, at least from my perspective.